Ninth problem. Find a matrix X such that X plus matrix 4, 6, minus 3, 7 is equal to matrix 3, 1, minus 5, minus 2. Here X is unknown matrix. When you add two matrices, it should be same order. What is the order of this matrix? 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2 matrix. Automatic, this also should be 2 by 2. Comparable matrices. So, we don't know this matrix X, unknown. We are going to find that one. Plus taking from left side to right side becomes minus. 3, 1, minus 5, minus 2 as it is, we will write. Plus comes to minus of 4, 6, minus 3, 7. Matrix 4, 6, minus 3, 7. Now, first element you will compare with first one, second with second, third with third, fourth with fourth. 3 minus 4, 1 minus 6, minus 5, minus of minus 3, because minus 5, minus of minus 3. Next one, minus 2, minus 7. Now, unknown matrix X we are finding. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5, minus into minus, plus 3. Minus 2 and minus 7 is minus 9. Final answer. Therefore, minus 1, minus 5, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 and minus 9. 10th problem. If A is equal to matrix minus 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to matrix 5, 2, minus 7, 3, find a matrix C. See properly. Matrix C such that A plus B minus C is equal to 0. Given in the problem, they have given matrix A and matrix B. What is A matrix? Matrix A is minus 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 5, 2, minus 7, 3. C is unknown matrix, not given, we don't know. So, given in the problem, they told to find A, they told that A plus B minus C when simplified comes is equal to 0. Bring this minus C from left side to right side, plus C it becomes. So now we are having two matrices. I have already told you, addition of a matrix or subtraction of a matrix, same order should be there. What is the order of this matrix? 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2 matrix. This also 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2. Automatic C also will come 2 by 2 matrix. Must and should come. Now add these two matrices A and B. Minus 2 plus 5, first element with first element. 3 plus 2, second with second. 4 plus of minus 7. Can you see clearly? Brackets. 5 plus 3. Now simplify. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 minus 7 is 4, because plus into minus minus. 4 minus 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. Still simplify. 3, 5, 4 minus 7 is minus 3 and 8 is equal to C. Now we got matrix C. C is equal to 3, 5, minus 3, 8. 2 by 2 matrix. 11th problem, first bit. Given A is equal to matrix 2, minus 1, 2, 0 and matrix B is equal to minus 3, 2, 4, 0 and matrix C is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2. Find the matrix X such that A plus X is equal to 2B plus C. So we have to find A plus X is equal to 2B plus C. We know given in matrix A is given 2 minus 1, 2, 0 plus X is unknown matrix is equal to 2 into B. B they have given minus 3, 2, 4, 0 plus Matrix C is 1 0 0 2. Now I told you before itself, when we add matrices or subtract matrices, same order should be there. So the X answer should be which order? 2 by 2, because A is 2 by 2, B is 2 by 2, C is also 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. Now 2 minus 1, 2 0 plus X. Left hand side we can't do anything. Coming to right hand side, 2 table. With 2 you multiply each term. 2 into matrix B. So plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6. Plus into plus, plus 2 2s 4. Plus into plus, plus 2 4s 8. 2 zeros are 0. Plus C as it is 1 0 0 2. Now 2 minus 1 2 0 plus matrix X is equal to, add these two matrices, comparable matrices, because same order. This is 2 by 2, that is also 2 by 2. Then addition is possible. Minus 6 plus 1, first element with first element. 4 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 0 plus 2. Now 2 minus 1, 2 0 plus unknown matrix X is equal to minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2. Now X is equal to, here nothing symbol is there, means plus, plus goes from left to right is minus. So X is equal to minus 5 4 8 2 minus matrix 2 minus 1 2 0. Maintain social distance. Distance should be there. Now you are subtracting now. X is equal to minus 5 minus 2. 4 minus of minus 1. Compulsory how to put bracket. 8 minus 2. 2 minus 0. Now simplify. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. 4 minus into minus plus 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. Therefore X is equal to minus 7. 4 plus 1 how much? 5. 6. 2. 14th problem. Find matrices A and B such that A plus B is equal to 5 4 7 3 and A minus B is equal to matrix 11 2 minus 1 7. Now they have given in the form of two simultaneous equations. A plus B is equal to matrix 5 4 7 3. This is equation number 1. A minus B is equal to matrix 11 2 minus 1 7. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Why adding? Here opposite signs are there. So get cancelled. Plus B minus B get cancelled. A plus A is 2A is equal to, we have to add right hand side these two matrices. 5 4 7 3 plus another matrix 11 2 minus 1 7. 2A is equal to 5 plus 11. First element with first element. 4 plus 2, second with second. Third element, 7 plus of minus 1. 3 plus 7. 2A is equal to 5 plus 11, 16. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus into minus minus. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 plus 7 is 10. Now 2A is there. 2 into A. So A is equal to 1 by 2. Goes to the denominator. So A is equal to half of this matrix. 16, 6, 6, 10. So each element you have to multiply with half. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 16, 1 by 2 into 6, 1 by 2 into 6, 1 by 2 into 10. Maintain gap. Distance should be there. Don't write together or near. Maintain gap. 2 goes in 16 8 times. 2 goes in 6 3 times. 2 goes in 6 3 times. 2 goes in 10 5 times. So we got, therefore A is equal to 1 8 is 8, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 1 5 is 5. Now out of two matrices, one matrix we got, A matrix. Substituting A matrix in equation 1. Sir, I like to sir means no problem. I submit in the second equation also. Any one. So A plus B is equal to, so A matrix already we got 8, 3, 3, 5 and plus B we have to find now is equal to 5. Here what is that? A plus B is equal to 5, 4, 7, 3. So matrix 5, 4, 7, 3. Now plus goes that side from left to right minus. So B is equal to matrix 5, 4, 7, 3 minus matrix 8, 3, 3, 5. So B is equal to 8, 5 minus 8. Second element. 4 minus 3. Third one. 7 minus 3. Fourth one. 3 minus 5. So B we are going to find. 5 minus 8. 4 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 3 minus 5. Now 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Therefore we got B matrix also. What is B matrix? Minus 3, 1, 4,